On.
Whoa, fish on.
Catch him, Doc.
Fish
Go
on.
get him, Doc.
Nope, it's off.
It's off again.
It's off already.
You gotta stand in the block. Come on, go.
There's fish on, back off.
Don't fall.
Back off? Thumb cough.
Fucko, chero. Fuck you too, man.
When we were up there in Quebec and we were fishing for lake trout, we caught quite a few. But I don't know that it was this fast. Now saying that, we'll probably have a slow spell here. Well, 2 minutes and 30 seconds and no fish. we're having a slow spell here. We're having a slow spell here. 2 minutes and 30 seconds and no fish.
Should get another chocolate bar.
That is good.
We do have pictures of all the fish.
Oh yeah, we do have fish on board. Even though we never caught any.
Yeah, it was all Andre.
Andre, number one man.
When?
Number one man.
Shove some in your bag.
Yeah, remember that guy that was wanting some fish? He didn't want to eat anything but fish?
Yeah.
You're gonna have fish.
Yes, can you that club for the Australian guy? He only eats rolled fish and then no cold chicken. Chicken. No chicken, no nothing. Only fish. Okay, that's fish.